If you're still using the wrong stock app in 2026, you could be losing money without even knowing it. Some apps quietly eat your profits with hidden fees, slow execution, or poor tools. Others give you faster trades, better data, and even free money to start investing. In this video, I'll show you the best stock trading apps in 2026, which one is best for beginners, which is best for long-term investors, and which one serious investors are switching to right now. Watch till the end, because the last app could literally change how you invest forever. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about smart investing, personal finance, and building wealth the right way. Today, we're breaking down the best apps to buy stocks in 2026 based on fees, ease of use, features, security, and who each app is actually best for. Choosing the right stock app is no longer optional. In 2026, the difference between a good and a bad investing app can mean missing out on huge opportunities, overpaying in fees that drain your account, or even worse, making emotional and costly mistakes because the app is confusing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which app fits your investing style, whether you're just starting with $10 or you're building a serious, six-figure portfolio. Let's start with the best app for beginners in 2026. This app is absolutely perfect if you're just getting started and the idea of investing feels a little intimidating. It offers a super clean, simple interface that's incredibly easy to navigate. You don't need a finance degree to understand it. Plus, it offers fractional shares, which means you can buy a small piece of an expensive stock like Amazon or Apple without needing thousands of dollars. You can start with just a few bucks. It also has zero or very low commissions, so you're not losing money on fees. And one of its best features is the educational tools built directly into the app. It teaches you about investing as you go. If you want to buy your first stock without feeling overwhelmed, this is one of the best places to start. It's designed to get you in the game safely and build your confidence. Next up, let's talk about the best app for long-term investors. This one is my go-to recommendation if your strategy is all about building wealth steadily over time. This is ideal if you're focused on buying and holding quality stocks, investing in ETFs and index funds for diversification, or building a portfolio that generates passive income through dividends. Where this app really shines is in its portfolio tracking tools. It gives you a clear picture of your long-term performance, your asset allocation, and how your dividends are growing. The research tools are also top-notch, giving you deep insights into company financials and analyst ratings so you can make informed decisions for the long haul. If you see yourself as a patient, buy and hold investor, this app is built for you. Now, let's get into the app for the active and serious investors. This is for people who want more control, more power, and better data at their fingertips. If you're someone who cares about advanced charting tools to analyze trends, lightning-fast trade execution to get the best price, and access to real-time market data and in-depth analysis, then listen up. This app is one of the most powerful stock trading platforms available in 2026. It's not for the casual investor. It's for those who actively manage their portfolio, maybe even do some day or swing trading, and need professional-grade tools to make quicker, more informed decisions. If you're ready to take your investing to the next level, this is the platform that a lot of the pros are using. Alright, this is the one most people don't talk about, the Game Changer. This app is truly changing how people invest in 2026 by bringing institutional-level tools to everyday investors. First, it offers access to global markets, so you're not just limited to stocks in your own country. You can invest in emerging companies all over the world. But the real magic is its AI-powered insights. The app analyzes market data and your own portfolio to give you personalized suggestions and identify opportunities you might have missed. And finally, it has smart portfolio automation. You can set your risk tolerance and financial goals, and it will automatically build and rebalance a diversified portfolio for you. If you want to invest smarter, not harder, and leverage technology to get an edge, this is an app you should seriously look into. It's like having a financial analyst in your pocket. So, here's the truth. There is no single best stock app for everyone. The best app is the one that matches your goals, your experience level, and your personal strategy. Don't just follow what's popular. Think about what you need. Pick the wrong app, and investing can feel complicated and stressful. But when you pick the right one, investing becomes simple, empowering, and ultimately profitable. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps us reach more people. And make sure you subscribe for more investing and wealth building content. And now I want to hear from you. Comment below, which stock app are you using in 2026, or which one are you planning to try after watching this? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.